Huh?
What? Oh!
Alright, wall's ready, call.
Almost either now, so you're flushed out, but he finds the tap!
ติงอย่างน้อยต้องขอให้ตัดได้ นี่
ไปแล้วครับตามติงออกมาตัดหนึ่งตัดสองเลยแล้วอัพการ์ดเดวิดมาเป็นที่เรียบร้อยนะครับ
Sent, bring us all the way. Planted for him, a flash dodge and avoided. Jordan puts his body on the line. A tap from Trent trying to pull him out to the open once more, but it's all goddamn something.
A doggy? See, that's not bad. He will have to deal with the Tiger, and they now have to swing this. They have to go looking because he's already managed to get it halfway